Welcome to the ChatGPT Masterclass. GPT Pro. We are going to start with a basic overview of what ChatGPT is and how to set yourself up best for a technology perspective. Really quick. We are going to dive into a business use case of ChatGPT and show you how we use the tool to create blog brandings, SEO, YouTube's, and podcasting content that overall customers love. So, who is this course for? It is for anyone who would be an entrepreneur who wants to start a business on the internet but has prepare based intermediate by a work overload and industry knowledge required to do so. It is for any business owner, marketer, or student who already using ChatGPT but want to use it in a high level in order to provide value to the organization and career. It is for any content creator, coder, or copywriter who has heard that ChatGPT is coming to take your jobs and who wants to be a forefront of the technology rather than to be obsessed by. This course is for the people who sees we are in the second industrial revolution. For the people who missed the boat on their things like bitcoins, YouTubes and Facebook ads and who are not content to sit on sliding as to the next big thing is here, ChatGPT. We'll meet in the next lecture. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe.